District Legal Service Authority Dlsa Bishnupur na Nongmagi Oiba Sensitisation Program PANTHOKKHRE 1-day sensitization program for all the LDCS panel lawyers, remand advocate, front office, all the PLBS of District Legal Service Bishnupur for ensuring power coordination, effective functioning and strengthening of legal aid service haiba hiramda yumpham oiraga pangthokiba program aduda Chairman District Legal Service Authority Dlsa Bishnupur Samum Ibzen Singh Bineswari Maibam Secretary District Legal Services Authority Dlsa Bishnupur amadi Chief Legal Aid Defense Council Y Ramananda amadi Lata Devi Bar Council Bishnupur na President Member oina daista famki
change that by the Dlsa family se Dlsa family da we are a Dlsa panel advocate like that PLB like that aduga tana remand advocate mere lego aduni chakre ana moina PLB police station ni la moi police station ni pan ni natra police station ni pan ni PLB ni pan la adi duna sakang mai kang na basu aduga koi family se Dlsa family ko mai doge ai koi my role and responsibilities. Ado agency aduga anobala kusida moida orientation with the overall army. Ado kamaina in the best manner possible kamaina coordinate overall with the people role and responsibilities. Kamaina PANTHOKKHRE ado kara khana se like a interaction program ko tana si one way speech we will share lecture ta ka we